Day 6 Kids.
Making simple sentences using the given words. This video is about how to make simple sentences using the given words related to the summer. Beach. We can enjoy together with our friends and families on the beach. Sun. The sun is too hot, so we are eating an ice cream. Swim. Jerry likes to swim. Hot. It was very hot yesterday. Sunburn. We need sunburn lotion to protect our skin. Ice cream. They are eating an ice cream at the shop. Sandcastle. The children built a sandcastle on the beach. Holiday. Summer holiday begins in April. Shorts. Bunny is in shorts. T-shirt. I washed my t-shirt yesterday. Swimsuit. I purchased the swimsuit at the mall. Picnic. We went on a picnic last month. Sunglasses. My sunglasses are too big. Sunscreen. Apply sunscreen on our body before going outside. Camp. Tom found Jerry alone at the camp. Surfing. I am really very crazy about surfing. Shell. I found a shell on the beach. Beach ball. They played with my beach ball. Kite. My kite flies high in the sky. Umbrella. Don't forget to take your umbrella. Fishing. My father went on fishing last week. Shadow. Johnny is afraid of seeing his own shadow. Sandal. I broken my sandal. Wave. The children got stuck in the waves. Beach chair. The beach ball is very cheaper than the beach chair. Summer vocabulary. Beach. Sun. Swim. Hot. Sunburn. Ice cream. Sandcastle. Holiday. Shorts. T-shirt. Swimsuit. Picnic. Sunglasses. Sunscreen. Camp. Surfing. Shell. Beach ball. Kite. Umbrella. Fishing. Shadow. Sandal. Wave. Beach chair. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.